class is being second period. Let us try to in second period. So in second period, so we'll finish this. Okay, now if I call this, okay, this argument, if I pass the argument here, so then after terminate with the semicolon. Okay, okay. Now it is giving, this is what syntax error. In such way, why because see, this is the parameter argument. Okay, within this it is closed. Okay, for now this is closed. We need to pass one. Okay, this is okay. Now we need to pass a break. That is what bracket here. So if it is giving still error, what is that? Why it is giving error? We need to understand that. Okay, try to understand. This is okay. After that, how many? This is for what? Main class, main method. Two braces are here. After that, no any two braces we have closed here. Okay, that is okay. So now, if we have left anything, we need to check back that. Okay, syntax error. Insert to complete. So system.out.println. Okay, this is okay. Next what? This is okay. We need to pass one here, one more. That is one more bracket here, not here. Okay. Now let us see what happened. Syntax error on token. Here colon is here. Why? After that brace. Why brace? Brace. Then is okay. Now it is okay. See why it is giving error. Try to understand. Now this open brace, flower brace, flower brace. Normally, for after system.out println, we will finish with the terminate with the semicolon. Okay, that is work. Up to this, okay. I have passed the n same argument here. So it is terminated. It is opened with the brace. Brace is closed. Open brace. Now here it is open bracket. So open bracket after the termination. That is the syntax. So if you compile this code, what you will get the output. Output is where 567. 567 is what? These are the values. You have integer values. You have passed for the array list. Where is your array list? This is your array list. Array list name num. Okay, it is a integer type of wrapper class. Wrapper class used here to, as I told you, that for int type of primitive data type, integer wrapper class used to use that int type of data as a object. Okay. So here what we have used here we have used the lambda function, lambda expression. You write lambda function, expression, simply whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we have used how lambda expression we have studied in theory. First argument list, syntax is what? Argument list. That may be no argument, single argument, and two parameter, two arguments. So there will be argument in the brackets. So after that one, this is what? Token, arrow mark. Then body will be in flower brace. Same thing we have done here. See, this is the argument. Okay, token, arrow mark within the bracket. Okay, within the this. Okay, we have passed the what? Body. Body is what? This system.out.println. It is a body. Within that, I have called this argument n. Okay, now the list. So here lambda expression used to uh, take a printout of all the values of a array list. Array list. So initially in the class, lambda function used with collection of objects, array list, linked list. I told you that array list nothing but a resizable array. It is a resizable array. Okay. So one is this, one use. Next is what? So lambda function, anonymous function. Anonymous function, see, here function used. No, in Python, lambda keyword will be used. Here, no any lambda keyword used, no any name, function name. This method, so this method is the method of your array list method. Array, where is the array list created? So it has a object name. So by that name, okay, that object has so many methods. One is add method. By that method, we have added the value integer values. After that, one method is that for each method. Within this method of array list object created, there is num. So within that method, lambda expression, lambda function used. So there is no any name. Okay. So as I told that this is anonymous function, unnamed function. It is clearly we can find here there's no any name for this. Next is functional interface. That is I have not briefed in second part. Today I think it will not be covered. Tomorrow we will try to understand. That will be lambda function will be used with functional interface, means if interface has only one abstract method. Okay. Before that I need to explain what is interface. Then you can understand this one. Otherwise difficult. So one by one, I am briefing. So array list, how to use the lambda function with the array list, I have briefed. Okay. It iterates through the list. So how it is every time it goes and takes the value and print out. Okay. It takes the value and prints. Okay. Now next word. This is the syntax I told you. So next is what I need to explain the interface. Interface is what? Then if I explain the interface, then after that we will try to understand how the lambda function will be used with the functional interface. Okay, that is one more point I need to explain. Next is what? Wrapper classes I have explained. Wrapper classes are nothing but primitive data type can't be used as an object in Java. So wrapper classes help us to use primitive data type as an object. Okay. That's why if interview question is there, whether Java is fully object oriented programming? No, because fully object oriented programming means Java supports primitive data type. What is that primitive data type? Integer, float, character, boolean. Okay. Integer again divided into category into 4 types: byte, short, integer, long, and a float divided into 2 types: float, double, char, and your boolean. These are primitive data type, but string is non-primitive. String has the non-primitive data type. String can be used as an object. Here I have explained one string I have declared. So now string that is a variable. So it is simply you can say that one string can be used as an object. Object has method. So here this name I have used it as an object. Once name dot. So once you kept dot, so you will get a lot of methods. Within this one method I have used it to convert these small case letters into uppercase. But whenever you create a integer, suppose where I have created, this is the integer array list. So if I want to create one integer, simple integer name is equal to num, say take any x, okay, x is equal to 5. So this is what happened. I have created one integer data type variable x, it holds 6. Okay, but it has no any method. I can't do anything over this. Okay. If I want to do anything over this, I need to create this as a object. So how can I create this as an object integer? By the wrapper class. Okay, by wrapper class, I can use by wrapper class here, this wrapper class for integer, I can create the array list, and that array list holds integer type of data. Okay, then after that array list has methods. By add method, I will fill within this array list values. Okay, understood that? So next, come to the point, next topic within this last, that is what we need to implement interface, no, functional interface. We need to understand that. So next is what, so this is one type of, so next, so let me explain that. Okay, first, what is interface? So because it is very important for you here, as I told you that this lambda function will be used to implement the functional interface. Functional interface means the interface which is having only one abstract method, na? So first of all, you understand what is interface, and then its lambda expression, how it is used with the interface. We will try to understand. So here in this, I need to do somewhat, that is what, suppose create a interface here. Okay, interface. Interface, as I told you that what interface is a abstract class. After that, interface name. Interface name, suppose animal is an interface name, animal. Okay, so animal is a interface name, and it is a, I told you that it is what, a class. Interface is a abstract class. Okay, so you comment here, interface is a abstract class. Abstract class to achieve abstraction. Achieve abstraction. Okay, so interface is a abstract class to achieve abstraction. So to achieve abstraction, one more way is that by abstract class. Okay, by abstract class. So here interface, in place of interface, we need to say like what, abstract keyword here, and class name, class abstract. Okay, class abstract. Why it is giving error? Delete this token. Okay, no issue. Class, you can use the class name here. You remove this class, no issue. Let us see. So here what it, another way to achieve the abstraction by using a abstract, a class just before that abstract keyword. So now this class name is animal. Now this class becomes abstract class. So in Java, to achieve abstraction, there are two. Abstraction is what? Abstraction, we need to explain one more word, no? So you will get confused what is abstraction. Again, I need to explain what is expression. Comment here. Abstraction is what? Abstraction means hiding of functional information, functional info to user, only needful information, will be shown, present in front of the user. Only needful information will be present to the user, and functional main core information. So that information will be kept as hidden. That is called abstraction. So normally in ATM centers you go. So in the ATM you will do to withdraw money whenever you pin whatever you pass authentication details. Okay, they are for your user needful information for the user. But behind of that, what is happening, that is functional info that will be not shown to user. So there is abstraction. Okay. So extraction will be achieved two ways. One is that by abstract class, another one is interface. So we need to understand about the interface. That's why, because here Lambda function will be used with the functional interface. Functional interface means that interface which is having only one abstract method. So I don't want to go for abstract class. I am simply come to the interface. Okay. So interface, simply I write. So interface, by interface we can achieve the abstraction that is called full abstraction. Means that hiding of data, hiding of functional information, means that will be achieved abstraction more than 100%. Okay. So this is, now come down here. Now interface class has an abstract method. It has an abstract method. So that method, I want to create that method public void. Okay. Then method name. Suppose it is animal. Animal makes sound. Sound is a method. So method always suffixed with the brackets. So now this method, this is abstract method. So interface class always has only abstract methods. I am commenting here. This is abstract method. Okay. So why it is abstract method? In interface class, that methods declared under interface class, by default class is abstract. Okay. So by default method is abstract and public. So if you don't want to write this public, there is no any problem, because by default method of interface classes, or the methods declared inside of the braces, okay, they are the abstract method. No need to write abstract, no need to write the by default they are that. So now one method is declared, but it doesn't have a body. Body means under this no any statements. There's no any statement is here. So now this is called abstract method. Okay. Now this method body will be provided by the another class. Body will be provided by the another class. So come down. Now create another class. Now class. Okay, class. Suppose the animal category cat. So implements. Okay, implements. Okay. Implements what? Animal. Animal. Okay. Animal. Now try to understand that. Now what happened? So it's a class, then you need to keep the braces. Okay. Now try to understand what happened here. This is one interface class. No need to write the abstract. Okay. If you are stating abstract class just before that abstract keyword, but interface no need to, by default it is abstract class. Okay. And whatever the method declared under interface class, that is abstract method. No need to write the abstract just before that. No need to write public. Okay. Now this method has no any body. That body will be provided by, okay, implemented class. Which is the implemented class? This cat. Because interface class can't be used to create the object. The object will be created by the implemented class. Now cat is an implemented class. Okay. So for what? Animal. Okay, you remove this cat one here. That's why it's giving error. Now come down. Under this, for this method, you create the method same here, public void Same method name, sound. Method means brackets, then open brace and close brace. Okay. Now within this, you provide the body for this abstract method. The body will be provided the implemented class. Cat is the implemented class. Within this method is created. Now provide the body here. System dot out dot println. Okay. Now put a string here. Cat meows. What is the sound of cat? Cat meows. Okay. This is the story. Now what happened? Understand that this is the class animal class and animal class declared here, implemented class cat. It has a method. It is this method. Now here we can say that method overriding occurs. Method overriding occurred. Method overriding means what? Whatever the method, if a class has a method, same method declared in another class, that is called method overriding. So here it is by default, it is public. Okay, if you have not mentioned public, but it is by default public. So public void sound. So public void sound method name is sound. So in bracket, no any parameters here now, no any parameters passed. If a parameter is here int, so now method overriding not occurred, because here parameter you have passed a parameter as a variable index. Okay. So here parameter index is here, but in this sound method, nothing you have not passed. So now method overriding not occurred. So both are not equal. So when method overriding occurred, if a class has a method, so same method with the same parameters, if another class we declare, then method overriding occur. Okay. So you remove this parameter index here. Now, for this method, I have created, so for this abstract method, same method declared here with the statement. Okay, the body is provided here. So for the abstract method, abstract method has no body. So the body will be provided here for the abstract method. Body provided here. For whom? Body provided here for abstract method. For abstract method. Okay. Now try to understand here. Abstract method. For this abstract method, body is provided. So now what happened? This is okay. Now it is one class method. So method closed, class closed. Now the object created, if you want to access this method, we can't create the object for the interface class, but we can create the object for the cat class. Okay, implemented class. So now come down here in your main method, you create the object for the cat class. What is the syntax to create the object? Cat, then after object name, so anything, object name, anything, new keyword, then after cat again, cat brackets. Okay, now many times I told you that this is the default constructor. Okay, simply write def construct default. So I have made a class or constructor. If anybody has doubt, you refer that. Okay. Now this object is created for the cat class. Now how can I access this method, sound method, by object name obj dot what sound method. sounds. Okay, terminate the semicolon. Now, here this under this sound method, a statement is the cat meow. So whenever I call this method with the object, okay, so this printout we will get this. So let us see. Let us see what happened here. The exception entered, where which line? Unresolved. Hello world, which line? So see what is happening here. Okay, first let me. So what is the error actually? So here this animal, no? So I have for this animal I have written M. So both it is differing with this animal. Okay, that is the error. Why it is showing error animal? So this is M. I need to change this as any N. So animal now it is. Otherwise, if I do any mistake, both to be once class is declared, na? So this class, okay, cat implements to this class. So same name we need to write here, but it is differ. So that's why it's giving error. So now what happened? The cat class implements animal class. So you whenever you compile this, you will get the cat meows. Okay. So this is what interface. So the same functional interface. Whenever how the lambda expression will be used with the functional interface which has interface has only one abstract method. See, our interface animal class interface name animal, it has only one abstract method. Now we can say that this is what functional interface. So this function, how this functional interface will be used with the lambda expression, lambda function. We will study next Friday. Okay. Today class is over almost because it is 9:40. Because what today, 30 minutes I was in celebrating of Diwali, lighting of candles, somewhat like this. So somewhat time, 30 minutes I have wasted. So somewhat class. However, I told you that classes, even though in busy schedule also the classes will be conducted on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A tight schedule also. If there is a power failure, that moment classes will not be conducted because if power failure is there and I can't conduct the classes over mobile data because here mobile signal is slow. I have the fiber net. That's why I am able to conduct the classes. Okay, if there is no any power, if I want to conduct the classes over mobile data, so 4G mobile here in my location very low, weak. So Zoom can't be run over a low signal of data. Okay. Next is what? As I told you that these classes are all of free classes and anybody can attend the classes. So many are in a feeling that so I should have somewhat knowledge, basic knowledge to understand the programming language. Suppose if I want to know the Java, should I know the C knowledge of C, C++? No, no need of any basic knowledge. Without any basic knowledge, you can learn the program. It is my promise, understand? But you need to be so passionate and you must be so interested. Okay, if you are so interested without any basic knowledge, you can learn the programming language. Sir, I am non-technical stream. I am not studying BTech. Just I completed my BA, BCom, sir, ITA, this and that. Whether I want, I can able to understand the pro. Yes, you can do without any basic knowledge. But human intelligence, it has so much of IQ, intelligence quotient. So human intelligence, it is so powerful. Understand? If you are so passionate, you can understand all that. Nothing is difficult in this universe. Everything you can do a lot. You can do a lot. You can do a lot and lot. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can dial to my number 9110398650. Okay. So You can call me. I will explain if you have any doubts, and you can demand the class also. Simply you WhatsApp to me. So I want to know this topic in Java. I want to know this topic in C++. So you simply send a message to me. I will, I will, I will conduct that class. Okay. So these classes will be conducted up to my last breath. This is my promise, and I will give a lot of support to whomever wants to enhance their programming skills, develop their programming skills. So thank you. Have a nice day. Best wishes to all of you, Diwali and the occasion of Diwali. Jai Hind, Jai Sambhavi. Thank you. Now I'm going to terminate the class.